Got really good sweet potato harvest this time. Almost 10 kg on a bed, more than 10 kg I think. These are for in-house use, the smaller ones. Big ones for giving it out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we are installing the solar panels and inverter batteries. The power system here, backup power system. Not really backup power system. I would really want to use more of solar. And then we will have the regular electricity connection also. It was raining very bad and the water has got in. There are so many leaks here. So we need to fix all these leaks also.
I think this one is more.
So there are 8 batteries, 150 Ah, 12 volts for storage of power. It has been raining, so let's see if there's any water in the pond. Been trying, waiting for the pond to get filled. Last time when it rained heavily, like continuously very heavy rains, we saw the pond filling up, but it dried up very fast. There is some water in the pond. Now I need to check how long this water will be here. Hopefully it rains again and have some more water. This water anyway would be in the same land. Holding the water is really good for the land.
They go out of the.
Mm-hmm.
Your black and white. She's going. Tiskel then. Wait.
So these are the solar panels. This one panel is damaged. They will replace it. It's broken. So now they are laying the solar panels. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ
ಹಾ?
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಇದು
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇಡ್ಬಿಡ್ದು?
ಹಾಂ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ?
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ಈ ಥರ
ಇದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So no stands, nothing. They're just laying it on top of the roof. That's good in a very simple way. Yesterday we couldn't complete the solar panel installation. There was a bad disaster. What happened was the person doing the final connection fell down. Actually, what happened? The roof came off, broke in fact because of the weight, and they stepped in a wrong place where the proper support was not there, and they hurt badly. Both of them had to be taken to the hospital. One boy has a broken arm, and other person has a problem in his heel. Today again he is going to the hospital for further consultations. So the installation is bit held up now. We need to repair the roof and wait for them to come and complete the installation. He told me that it will take 2 days for him to arrange somebody else to come, because he would be on bed rest for at least a month. Sad things happen in between. Accidents do happen when we don't be very careful. But they were doing things very carefully. But what happened was bad time. It was started raining, and they were still continuing the work. And by both of them came to the same place, the weight was too much, and the sheet broke. I'll complete the video with the complete installation and show you the results also. So just there's a delay now. I'll come up with the second part once that is done.